Most common students' mistakes. For example, the sentence I was walking and saw a dog. In this sentence you can't use видеть. How to translate this sentence? Actually, we need to use увидеть. Я шла и увидела собаку. Out of sudden, think about the lightning. Wow effect. It happened suddenly. Услышать, the same story. Out of sudden you heard something. Я был в лесу и вдруг, упс, вау, хоп, услышал шум. Again, unexpectedly. Hop and it happened. Услышать. Узнать. Something happened again. Suddenly, you found something out. A moment and you found out it. Вчера я узнала, что моя сестра выходит замуж. Подумать. A little bit different, but still the idea is the same. Где-то я это уже слышала. The thought came to you. What was the thought about? Где-то я это уже слышала, подумала она. Not думала, but подумала она. Out of sudden, she just thought, oh my god, somewhere maybe I heard. Придумать. A little bit different. Bulb effect. Out of sudden, the idea came to you. Он придумал новое название для его компании. Out of sudden, lightning effect. Hop and you have this idea. Придумал. To invent, to coin a new word, to create a new idea, maybe solution. Я посмотрела фильм and my reaction мне понравилось or another reaction мне не понравилось. I already had this video about нравится and понравится. Go to the link. Don't forget about this sudden effect. That's why those verbs are just so different from English words.